Hi, welcome back to Unit 4. This is Section 8, Lesson 1, and the first video for this lesson. This is Ms. Clemens-Brenton, and in this video, we'll look at how to calculate the volume of cylinders. So let's begin. Here's a cylinder, and here's a net of that cylinder, so that we can see where the measures are placed. As with other 3D objects, to find the volume of a cylinder, we multiply the area of the base by the height. Cylinders are a little bit different in that the base is circular, it is not a polygon. So to find the area of the base, we have to find the area of a circle. Remember, to find the area of a circle, it's pi r squared. So in this case, it would be 3.14 multiplied by the radius squared, which is actually the radius multiplied by itself. So we get 19.6 meters squared, because area is always in square units. Because the volume is the area of the base multiplied by the height of this figure is actually 6 meters. We can see how 6 of those circles are stacked on top of one another. So the area of the base, which is 19.6, multiplied by the height, which is 6, I get 117.6 meters cubed, because again, volume is always cubic units. Example 1. Find the volume of the cylinder. So as we just saw in the previous example, to find the volume of a cylinder, much like finding the volume of rectangular or triangular prisms, the volume is the area of the base multiplied by the height. Cylinders are different in that the base is circular. So remember, to find the area of a circle, it's pi r squared. So the area in this case, pi r squared multiplied by the overall height of the cylinder. So pi again we'll say is 3.14. The radius in this case, which is half the distance across the circle, so it's 7.2. Squared means multiplied by 7.2 again, and then multiplied by the overall height of the figure. So in this case it's 18. So when I multiply those numbers together, I get 2,929.9968. So I'm just going to round that off to one decimal place, which means this 9 will make this one go up, and this 9 will make this one go up. So it actually works out to be 2,930, and this is centimeters cubed, because volume is always in cubic units. Example 2. The volume of a cylinder is 510.25 centimeters cubed. So what is the diameter? So again, volume is the area of the base multiplied by the height. So they're giving us the volume. So I'm going to replace that there in the equation. So 510.25 is equal to the area of the base multiplied by the height. And the height in this case is 6.5. So to find the area of the base here, I'm going to do the inverse operation, because if the area of the base is being multiplied by 6.5, I can divide the volume to get the area of the base. So 510.25 divided by 6.5, and that will give me the area of the base. So I get 78.5 centimeters squared, because again, area is always in square units. So we're talking about the area of a circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared. So pi r squared is equal to 78.5. I know that pi is 3.14 approximately. So 3.14 times r squared is equal to 78.5. So if I divide 78.5 by 3.14, that will give me r squared. So r squared is equal to 78.5 divided by 3.14. So I get r squared is equal to 25. So then we think, what number multiplies by itself to give us 25? Well, r would be equal to 5, and the units here are centimeters. So in this case, they're not asking for r, they're asking for the diameter. So if the radius is 5 centimeters, the diameter is going to be 10 centimeters. Please proceed to the next video in this lesson.